Well, hello everybody. I am in the kitchen, not cooking. Going to clean my water cooler. I have one of these Primo water coolers with the 5-gallon bottles. But I noticed some trash in the water the other day when I put it in a glass. So I looked at videos online talking about cleaning these, so I want to see for myself if it's easy as they say it is. Now, first thing we got to do is take the water out of it. So I had somebody running camera, it might help. What are you doing, Miss Holland? Huh? You still eating bacon? You old bacon hog. Move your head. That's good enough, I guess. I guess that one's empty already, huh? Well, now I need to get some. I guess I can go ahead and see if this pops off like they say it does. I say just grab the back of this thing and lift. Look. And it pops off. But clean it. Yeah, well, that's got water in it. It's kind of dirty. That is. Oh, yeah, that comes out. I think. Maybe not. Leave that alone. I'm trying to help. Yeah, it's kind of dirty down in there. That's not too bad. But that needs to be clean. But if you can see, that's some mold just hanging down around in there. So they didn't say nothing about putting vinegar water in it, but I'm gonna put some warm water with vinegar in there. Can't hurt nothing, as long as you don't put too much vinegar. And I'm gonna run it through there real quick. So y'all stay tuned. Well, I got me some warm water here, about a quart. I'm gonna put about that much vinegar in it, however much that was. And I'm gonna put it in here and let it sit for about probably 10 minutes or so. Yeah, I'm probably gonna let some run through there to get it in the, well, y'all can't see. Let it run in the valves and let it set. Now I'm gonna let this sit about 10 minutes and we'll see what happens. Hopefully it'll come clean. Well, I'm gonna get the water out of here, then I'm gonna run some fresh water through it too. I'll take a little bit out of this one, a little bit out of that one. Make sure the tanks were full. I don't think running vinegar water through it, as long as you rinse it out real good. That'll help clean it, I'm pretty sure. And I don't really know if you can clean these little nozzles out. Take some of the other one. That's all of the cold. Get the rest of the hot one now. It's empty now. Oh, we got the water out. We're gonna pour some fresh water in to make sure we get all the vinegar out of it. Well, it's looking cleaner. Put it under here for a second. I'm gonna make sure it runs out. Okay. Yeah, we'll let that sit for about another 10 minutes and we'll put a fresh bottle of water on it and see what it looks like. Okay, we're gonna drain it again after we put some fresh water through it. Then we're gonna put it back together and put a new water bottle on there and see how it comes out. Hopefully this gets the water clean. No trash. Thank God for YouTube. Because I didn't know how to take this thing apart. Make sure the same side, I guess. That's it. Oh well. Let me get up. Look at it. Looks a lot better than what it was. See if I can get this back down in there now. I don't even remember which way it went. Hit the hole. It's supposed to go in the hole. Or was this part up? I can't remember. You know what? We'll go back and watch the video. Stop. Okay, we went back and looked, and Brady's got it in there right. So we're gonna pop this piece back on. It's crooked. Is it? Yep. Let's pop it off. Get it lined up first, then pop it on. There we go. And now we're gonna put the water bottle on. You want me to get it? She got it, she said. Just don't fall with it. Ugh. We should have moved it first. Plug it in first. Used to have it attached to the wall, but I don't know how it happened, but it pulled out of the wall, out of the sheetrock. So it really, I think there might be a stud right there. I'm gonna try to screw it into a stud one day. I think it's right in here. Just move it over a little bit, won't hurt nothing. So, want to get a glass. See if the water comes out clean. It might take a couple of glasses to get the water out clean. We'll see. There's no leftover trash in it, I may say. See a little floaties. See a piece of hair or lint or something. Here, pour that out and get some more. Who knows? It might be trash in the water. Y'all recommend any household filters to go on the water? Look better? That's just a bunch of air bubbles. Oops, see, there's another hair.
What the heck?
I probably dropped hair in there. Whoops, I probably dropped hair in there from my head. Who knows? It was just a little piece of hair, though. Nothing's perfect. But I don't want to be drinking water and know it's got trash in it. What's that? It still got floaties in it. Huh. Maybe it's in the glass. I don't know.
Let me try another glass.
We're going to try another glass. Well, we'll see. Let's see that one. It don't look too bad. I'm gonna go for it. I know you get a bunch of air bubbles when you get the water out of it, but that's the way you're supposed to clean one of these coolers, huh, babe?
Yep, that's the way.
Oh, I hope she feels better soon. Poor baby. So, y'all please just subscribe, share, like, and watch the whole video, not just 1 minute of it, please. And give us a thumbs up if you like these videos. So we'll see you on the next one. Bye, y'all. What?
She's stuck.
Oh, you stuck? Oh. See there, if you watch the whole video, you know she was stuck. Bye.